Hey, I have to make some gingerbread men, but I realised that I don't have a gingerbread man shaped cookie cutter thing to cut out the gingerbread man. But what I do have is a 3D printer, so I'm going to try and make one. And here we have the finished product. It looks like it will do the job. So we'll test it out, see how it goes. Alright, so I'm going to try my first cut, I guess is what you call it. Put a bit of flour on it so it doesn't stick too much, and we'll try it. I think that has worked pretty well. So I finished decorating the gingerbread men. I ended up making a lot more than I need. I think there's 131 all up. They came up pretty well. I'm pretty happy with them. And the cookie cutter I used that I 3D printed worked perfectly. It was really good. So good technique to be able to make whatever shaped cookie or gingerbread man mold you want. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video, hope you learned something, and I'll see you in the next one.